Welcome to Hallow Week Day 3. So we are doing the cat-inspired look that was prompted by my sister. I am so excited about this look. It is so easy, so simple. Anybody can do this, and you can use any kind of type of makeup products to do this. You just need a few key factors. So we're gonna get started. Here we go. One way or the other. 20 years. Alrighty then. Now you have a basic smoky. You could add eyeliner, mascara, and a lip, and just wear this as an everyday. This is not overly dramatic, overly anything. This would be a very nice look. Now we're going to change it into a Halloween look. So take that same brush we've been using all this time, the cream color brush. We're going to dip into driftwood. And we're going to go from the top of our eyebrow down the side of our nose and darken that. Try to leave a light color here. You don't want to make yourself look like you have a black eye. Just darkening the side of the nose. And then just a little bit of fine handling to give yourself that edge. Just like that. Not hard, just a little bit of brown eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. Check out that shading. It's like a severe contour that's done very badly. I now have a beak of a nose. That's funny. Okay. We're going to give ourselves a peak underneath our nose. So basically where you have a dip, you're going to accentuate that dip. So you're going to put the dark color in the middle. And don't take it out any further than your natural lines. And then put that edge on it. And the way you get the edge is you hold the brush this way with the color on it and do the little wiggle. See how we got that edge? We just did this little wiggle. Gosh, I love Halloween makeup. Okay. I'm also going to do a little dark under here. Usually I highlight this spot right here to make that stand out. But I highlighted down here because I want this to stand out and I want this lip to look extremely defined. So I'm putting a line right underneath the lip, which is not something you would do with makeup you would wear every day. Just Halloween makeup. Okay. Moving on to the part that everybody's going to be a little worried about. I'm using the Pot Black. Okay, and we're going to use that same edging brush, this one. See if this stuff. Oh, it's not dry. I haven't used it in so long, I figured that it probably dried out on me. So I'm going to put, whoa, come back here. I'm going to put quite a bit on my brush, and then I'm going to use the cap to smooth out an edge on my brush so that my brush has a nice pointed edge. Okay, now I'm going to use that, and I'm going to do my eyes first. Okay, so we're going to add a inner corner to your inner corner, which means that you're going to connect and dip. So we're going to do the top first. Maybe I should zoom you in. Okay, so we're going to do the top line first. Oh, you're probably not going to be able to see because my big old hand's going to be in the way. Okay, I'm just starting by adding a line right there. We get a little bit more product. And then I'm going to extend past the tear duct. To there. So my eye actually ends here. And then I extended the line. So then, just extending it a little more. I'm going to get some more color. Halloween makeup is so much fun. And I'm going to connect that along this way. Just like that. And then I'm going to add a wing to the top of the eye. I think my favorite thing about Halloween makeup is that there are the people that have like phenomenal Halloween makeup. There's the ones that don't try, that do try and end up with fun, festive looks that aren't designer. And I think those are the best. I mean, of course, if we had designer makeup artists to do our Halloween makeup, I'd be all over that, but it's just festive and fun. Don't need to stress about it too much. Okay, I'm gonna add the other eye. Be right back. 2 winged eyes. Woo. We're gonna go ahead and use the same brush, same pot eyeliner, and we're going to do a nose. So just come across the tip of your nose and then down either nostril. We're going to do a thin line underneath your nose. Okay, and then I'm going to make the little V that makes this cat-like. And like I said before, you get points for trying on Halloween. Like, you don't have to be perfect, just you get points for trying. Okay, so then for whiskers, same deal. We're going to use dots. We're going to do 3 dots. And 3 whiskers. And for the whiskers, you want it to be kind of delicate, so make sure you edge out your brush in your lid so it has an edge. Cool. So we're on to the very last couple of steps. I'm going to do the lips, which I really want to use liquid lips, liquid lipsticks, but Mary Kay does not carry a liquid lipstick matte line yet, hopefully soon. So I'm going to use a couple of different things. I'm going to use a concealer. For my bottom lip, and I'm going to set that with translucent powder and my trusty crease color brush. That's not the right lid for that. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my cream color pot and do this top lip. Okay, I noticed that the black eye pot was going to transfer to the bottom lip. Too late. So you have to hold your mouth open until you get it applied, and then set the black eye pot with like black pearl or kohl. Set it with an eyeshadow, a black one. You could stop here. It's pretty cute. Or you could give it one more finishing touch and swoop that top lip out a little, which I think we're going to try to do, just kicks and giggles. Just like that. Okay, and then you're going to want to take a nude lipstick and do your bottom lip. I'm going to very quickly add a lash, and that is the end of this look. So hold on tight 1 sec, I'll add a lash and be right back. Looking at my eyes here, I realized that I forgot to do my waterline. So as I am applying my false lashes, I'm going to darken my waterline with the eye pot as well. is the final look. I would highly suggest doing your bottom lip with a nude lipstick instead of just leaving it concealer, because the black is transferring just a little bit where I can touch the inside of my lip, and it does make it just a touch challenging to talk. So put a lipstick over that. That'll fix that problem pronto. The eyelashes make it all the better. I really enjoy this look. This was really fun to do. Get yourself some little cat ears from Walmart and voila, you are ready to go. Very cute. So if you are new here on this channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so you never miss a video again. Like this video if you are enjoying Halloween week and all of the makeup tutorials that there is on Facebook, YouTube mostly. So thanks for watching. If you haven't seen my other videos from Hallow week, there will be one popping up here somewhere. So thank you for watching, and bye bye. See you in the next one.